want to know how to check Facebook video history, you would want to know how to check Facebook video history to quickly locate previously watched videos without searching for them again. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to check Facebook video history. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Then again tap on the Settings option. Likewise, scroll down to your Activity section and tap on the Activity Log option at the top. Here you can see the Video Watched option. Tap on it. So this is how to check Facebook video history. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.